and we lack belief, and we lack asiba-encourage abantu even abadlali besadlali ukuthi babe intellectual.
Oh yeah.
Asiwafuna ama-thoughts of abadlali, asiwafuna ama-opinions of abadlali.
Yeah. We are very oppressive as a football community.
We just say stick to football. And then umdlali icareer yakhe yonke uyadlala ibhola akacabangi lutho. Into yazi nje ukudlala ibhola kuphela. After football he wakes up yini engayenza akasazi ukuthi uzokwenzani. So nathi as a culture, as a society, lento ayiqala ebholeni. I-football is a reflection of society. What you do in society, you'll do in football. I-society yethu as South Africa, it oppresses abantu abasebenzayo. It oppresses the working class. It oppresses abantu of the lower classes. We don't want ama-opinions abo. We say nje kubona ukuthi hamba vuka ekseni uhambe uyosebenzela ubasi. And leyo nto ibenza abantu begcine bengayithembi ama-opinions abo, ama-thoughts abo. And that's a culture where it oppresses intellectualism. And leyo nto used to happen in England nge-industrial revolution, where ama-elites, those who control the means of production, they oppressed abantu abasebenzayo. And wena kumele usebenze kuphela, ungabi nezwi, ungabi netoti. And leyo nto it spread, you know, even nalana in South Africa. You know, so I feel like ukuthi abadlali bethu are not intellectual enough. They're not encouraged to be intellectual. Therefore, that's why after football you see them bengazi ukuthi bazokwenzani. And that's why sinenkinga in football, because the positions of power are people who don't know football, who don't care about football, are not passionate about football, and they just there for the wrong reasons. But some decisions that are not good for football. We are bolon. So we must fix that.